Hey everyone, I'm Pratiksha.
And I'm Gargi.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
We are here to have fun with coding and solve some cool problems together. But before we get into all that, let's get to know about us more.
We both are data engineer and we have been working with data and databases for a while. We have seen how powerful coding can be make sense out of all that information.
Together, we decided to create this channel to make coding fun and easy. Our goal is to help you learn SQL, which is a super useful coding language, no matter if you are just starting or you are a pro already.
And we are not just about solving problems. We are here to keep you excited and inspired about coding.
So, what are we going to do in this playlist? We'll be solving HackerRank SQL questions and explaining them in a way that makes sense.
And you know what, even better? We are going to give you tips and tricks to be an awesome coder.
Coding is not just a skill, it's like a superpower. It helps you solve real world problems and opens up cool opportunities.
Our channel is the first step in your amazing coding adventure. So, if you are excited to learn and have fun with us, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so that you will get notified when we post new videos.
Give us a thumbs up if you are as thrilled as we are, and share our videos with your friends who also like coding. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We can't wait to see you in our next video where we'll be tackling our first coding challenge.
Get ready to code, learn, and have a blast. See you soon. Happy coding!